Duda. KJ. Whoa, like that, girl. KJ. Whoa, like that, girl. That's how you do it. Hi guys, I'm KJ, because I have J, it stands for. And I'm gonna teach you guys a dance called KJ moves. Okay? So first step, when it says Duda, do something like make any kind of move you want, but do it. And then you're gonna go like this. KJ. Whoa, like that, girl. Okay, so like this. Go like this, guys, like this. K, and then wag it like your what's it called? Like whatever, like that. And then you're gonna make like your hip, like going like that. Like that, and then Duda. KJ. Whoa, like that, girl. Make sure you do that part, okay? Every single last part, you have to do this, okay? Second part is
My name is KJ. I move cute like that.
okay? Make sure this is the part you do. So like this, Duda, KJ. Whoa, like that, girl. Just like this. My name is KJ. I move cute like that. Okay?
Name is KJ. I move cute like that.
The third part is KJ. Whoa, like that, girl.
My name is KJ. I move cute like that.
Like that. Now put your hands up and bust a wall like that. Put your hands up and bust a wall like that. Okay? Put your hands up. Make like you're saying yay, and then you're gonna bust a wall like that. Okay, that's the third step. Okay? Fourth step is you gotta go like this.
Whoa, girl, how you move like that?
Okay? That's how you do it. Make sure you do this, okay? Clap and go like this, okay? Duda. KJ. Whoa, like that, girl. 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 That's all for today, and I hope you guys copy me and subscribe to my channel, okay? My YouTube channel is KazanaJ, since this is my first time. Tomorrow's gonna be my actual first time having my own channel. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm just waiting a lot, so I'm getting too happy. That's why I never had my own channel, but I'm begging my mom for it. You know how fun it is to have your own channel? Very. Because you get to show them all about just like you. So have fun, and I'll see you later tomorrow, okay? Bye. KJ. Whoa, like that, girl. KJ. Whoa, like that, girl.
My name is KJ. I move cute like that.